Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Curtin's Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be cooking chicken siomai. So for that, we need our minced chicken, 1 brown onion, a couple cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, an egg, salt, pepper, and sesame oil. Also going to need a large bowl, and of course you need your wrappers. Alright, so we'll start with our garlic. Next we're going to mince our onion. Just go ahead and throw them in your bowl. Set your bowl to the side. Let's get started on our carrots. Go ahead and peel your carrots. We're just going to go ahead and shred these carrots. It makes it so much easier to get them nice and fine. You got those all minced up. Go ahead and throw those in your bowl too. We're going to go ahead and add our minced chicken. Grab that out of there, put that in the trash. Next, you want to add about 2 teaspoons of salt. A bit of black pepper. Your sesame oil. Go ahead, grab your egg. Throw your egg in there. Mix this real nice, guys. You can use a spoon if you like. I like to use my hands, make sure it's nice and mixed really well. Sesame oil smells delicious. If you'd like to and you haven't already, go ahead, please click that subscribe button. Hit the bell button so you get notified when we put a new video out. Drop a comment below on this video. What's your favorite siomai? You like pork, chicken, seafood? Let us know down in the comments below. Alright, that's nice and mixed. Alright guys, show you how I do it. I just grab my wrapper, grab a teaspoon, get a good amount of filling in there. Okay, I know there's better techniques than this, but I have the medium-sized square wrapper, so I just go like this. Okay, wrap it around. Squeeze, flatten it out on the bottom there. Alright. I know these take practice, so yeah, there you have it, just like that. And just repeat the process. We'll go ahead and do about 10 of those to start with. Get them in the steamer, then we'll go ahead and do the other ones. Alright, so we got some water in our rice cooker. I'm going to use the steamer basket for our rice cooker. Just want to go ahead and oil that up a little bit. Grab a little bit of oil in your hand. And make sure you get it all over. We'll let our water start boiling. And then we'll go ahead and throw these in. Alright, so we're just going to do 6 at a time here. So they're not too crowded in this small steamer. Don't want them touching one another. Go ahead, put them in there. So there we go. Just go ahead and put that on top. Cover it. And we'll let those steam for about 10 minutes till they're cooked through. 10-15 minutes, depends how big you made them. So let those cook up. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got all my siomai wrapped up here, just waiting on this first batch. Then we'll go ahead and start cooking the rest of them. In the meantime, we can go ahead and make our sauce. A little bit of soy sauce in there, a little shake of garlic powder. You can also use fresh garlic if you want. I just find it easier to use the garlic powder for this one. A little bit of black pepper, cayenne pepper, just a small shake. And just a tiny bit of ginger powder. Alright. Also, we're going to go ahead and grab a lime. Alright. Go ahead and give that a little taste. Perfect. It's going to be delicious with these siomai. Alright guys, so our first batch is done. check those out. Looking delicious. Let's go ahead and remove those, put them on a plate. I also like to just put a little bit of oil on the plate. Not a whole lot, just a couple drops. Go ahead, oil that plate up a little bit. Alright, we're just gonna grab a fork. Go ahead and transfer these to the plate. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you next time. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. We appreciate all the love you guys are showing us. Let us know if there's anything you want to see us cook. Maybe we'll go ahead and give that a shot. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.